Welcome to Section 4, Testing an Authentication System. In this section, we're going to take a look at our scenario, which in this case will be logging in. We'll also create test steps in Python. We'll locate all necessary web elements and build locators for them. Then we'll write the test automation code in Python, and we'll run the tests via a test runner. Welcome to Scenario, Logging In. In this video, we're going to take a look at a real-life example that we're going to test, authentication. There's two main scenarios, a successful login and login failure. And there's some shared automated steps that we'll know how to do using Python code. So let's begin. As I mentioned, we'll be covering a real-life example and testing it. Authentication is something that most of us have had to do many times. Most software systems require some way to perform user management. Most often, users have to log in providing some sort of credentials. If they don't have credentials yet, there's usually an option for them to go ahead and register and create an account. When logging in, there's a couple of different scenarios. There's usually a happy path and a sad path. For example, our happy path would be that the user successfully logs in. So let's say that our user is logging in to our authentication system. Let's say they have a username of registered user and a password of 1234. When they log in, they should see a welcome message saying, "Welcome back, registered user." Additionally, if the login fails, let's say the account does not exist. They should see a welcome message saying, "Account not found." Then we'll have them go ahead and click on the Create Account link, and then we'll want to go ahead and verify that we wound up on the Create Account page. So looking at those two scenarios, you might be able to see that there's a couple of automated steps that will be shared between both scenarios. The two steps that I'm considering are entering credentials and then locating and clicking on web element. So for entering credentials, we've seen how to possibly do this using WebDriver's sendKeys method. And for locating elements and clicking on them, we've also seen the findElement and click methods. So this will actually be fairly easy to do using the WebDriver API that we're already familiar with.